Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today also I came with one of the very interesting questions. As you can see here, the question is ABCD is a trapezium where BC is equal to 4 cm, AD is equal to 6 cm and height BF is equal to 5 cm. Then find the area of triangle AEB. So this ABCD is a trapezium here, and the BC sides is 4 centimeter and AD sides is 6 centimeter, and the height BF is this height BF is 5 centimeter, and then it is asked to find the area of triangle AEB. So this triangle one area it is asked to find in questions. So if you wanna try these questions, then just pause the video, give it for a try. Whenever you are ready, keep watching. Let's start to solve the questions. What we have to do here, we have to construct a two perpendicular lines, EG perpendicular to AD and EH perpendicular to BC from the points E. So I have constructed a two perpendicular lines, EG perpendicular on AD and EH perpendicular on BC from the points E. So as you can see, the sides BF is 5 centimeter. Sides BF is 5 cm, so the sides HG will be 5. So BF is equal to, we have here HG is equal to 5 cm, because these both are the opposite sides of a rectangle, so they should be equal here. Now we will let the sides EG as A. Then if the sides EG, this is A, if we let these sides as A, if we let these sides as A here, then the sides EH will be, EH is equal to, this will be 5 minus A, 5 minus A. And as we know that EG is the height of the triangle, this one, and EH is the height of triangle, this. So now we can find the area of triangle ABD. So area of triangle ABD is equal to, we know the formula, 1 by 2 base into height, and 1 by 2 and its base, as you can see, ABD. If we find the area of triangle ABD, then its base is 6 and its height is 5. So base is here AD into height is BF. So 1 by 2 times AD means 6 into BF means 5. So it's I think 15 cm square. So area of triangle EBD becomes 15 cm square. Okay, now we can see the triangles AED and triangles BEC are similar. Triangle AED, as you can see in the figure, AED, this triangle, and triangle BEC, this triangle, are similar, because this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So their corresponding angles are equal, therefore these two triangles are similar. So we can write here the triangle AED is similar with triangle BEC. If these two triangles are similar, then we know that the corresponding sides and height of the triangles, similar triangles, are proportional. So we can have here the corresponding sides, as you can see, the corresponding sides of AD is BC is equal to the corresponding height of EG is EH. Corresponding sides and corresponding heights are proportional. So AD is here 6 by BC is here 4 is equal to EG. You can see here EG we have let it as A, and by EH is 5 minus A. So 5 minus A. Now we will solve these questions. So after solving this, 6 5 30, 6 times 5 minus A is equal to 4 into A means 4A, or 6 5 30 minus 6A is equal to 4A, or 30 is equal to 4a plus 6a, or 30 is equal to, it becomes 10a, or a is equal to it becomes 3 centimeter. So we got a as 3 centimeter here. Now actually we need to find the area of triangle AEB. So how can we have its area? So we can find its area by subtracting the area of triangle AED from the area of triangle ABD. So if you subtract the area of triangle AED from the area of triangle ABD, then we can easily get the area of triangle AEB. Now triangle area of triangle BAED. Area of triangle AED is equal to 1 by 2 times base into height. So 1 by 2 times base is here AD into height is here EG. 1 by 2 times AD is 6 into EG is A, or 1 by 2 times 6 into A means A is equal to, we have got here as you can see AC is equal to 3. So we can have here 3. So 3 2 is 6, so 3 3 is 9 cm square. So it becomes the area of triangle AED 9 cm square. Now we will try to find the area of triangle AEB. So area of triangle AEB is equal to area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle AED. Look in the figure. Area of triangle AEB, area of triangle, this triangle, this triangle is equal to this whole triangle minus this triangle. So this whole triangle is ABD, triangle ABD, and this triangle is triangle AED. So therefore I have written here the triangle AEB is equal to triangle ABD minus area of triangle AED minus area of triangle AED. So triangle AEB is equal to the triangle ABD1 area is here 15, as you can see here the ABD1 area is 15, so we can put here 15 minus the area of triangle AED is here 9, as you can see here the area of triangle AED is 9, so 9, 15 minus 9 means it's a 6 cm square. So 6 cm square is its answer. So in this way we can solve these questions. I hope you all guys have understood these questions. If you like this video, then like it, comment, and share these videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.